Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to make your own leave-in conditioner using aloe vera, fenugreek powder, fenugreek seed, shea powder, and also hibiscus powder to make your own leave-in conditioner. So keep on watching this video to the end and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And without wasting time, let's get straight into this video. Hibiscus is rich in vitamin C and amino acids. It also helps blood circulation under the scalp and it helps to stimulate hair growth. And the same thing with fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds are also rich in folic acid, vitamin A, vitamin K, and they're also high in protein, and they help to treat dandruff, moisturize the hair, and treat different scalp issues. So guys, to make this I used my previous infused Shea powder and fenugreek seeds that I used in my previous hair video, and as you can see I just added my fenugreek powder just because I want to be extra, and I also added my hibiscus powder, and then I'm going to go ahead and chop up my aloe vera. If you have aloe vera juice or fresh aloe vera juice, store-bought aloe vera juice, you can use it instead of using this one. So I used this just because this is the only thing that was available to me at the moment. So I just chopped up the aloe vera, and there was no need to scoop out the juice because I was going to strain it anyway. So I just chopped it up and added it to my jar just like that. Lots and lots of time, but maybe it's fine that you are so hard to find. So now I'm going to add my chopped aloe vera into the jar, and after that I'm going to add 1 cup of water. Now in this case, if you don't have distilled water, you can use distilled water for this. You can use rose water. I didn't have enough rose water to use. If not, I would have used rose water, so I decided to use 1 cup of water. This is boiled water, but I allowed the water to cool down before I used it. So guys, after this you can go ahead and shake it up and then double boil this for 10 minutes on low heat, and then after that you can let it sit overnight before you use it. In my own case, I allowed it to sit for 3 good days so that it can absorb every single nutrient. When I got it out, the fenugreek seeds were all swollen up, the aloe vera was gone, everything infused properly. So guys, this is what it looks like after 3 days. If you look closely, you will notice that everything has infused properly. And what I did was I shaked it again and I strained it using a cheesecloth. You can use a strainer or whatever you have to strain the juice out. And after that I ended up adding peppermint oil, vitamin E oil, and then I added preservative to it just because I didn't want it to spoil, and I made quite a lot. So guys, can you see how thick this thing was looking? I was so happy with how it turned out. And after this I added vitamin E oil, peppermint oil, and preservative to it. So guys, it is finally time to apply this to my hair. I've been carrying this protective style for 3 weeks or 2.5 weeks now, and I was planning to carry it for about 1 month, and I've been taking care of it where it is braided in this form. I just went ahead to make sure that I properly saturate my hair with this leave-in conditioner. So let's go ahead and watch me do it. guys, my hair is properly saturated with this leave-in conditioner. I like the way I was having a minty tingling feeling because of the peppermint oil, and that's it. My hair is properly moisturized right now, and I am so excited. I can't wait to check the length of my hair once I take down this braid. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you watched to the end, you are the real MVP. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share, and I will see you guys in my next video.